Okay, we're going to show how to modify the 2015 to present shift boot for the MGW shifter. We do not utilize the factory plastic lift-up ring. Ours is the push-down reverse. So we need to remove this so that we can attach it to our shifter. What you want to do is you want to invert it like this. Pull it up. If you look real closely, you have a very distinct shoulder here, right on that line. You have a couple options. If you have access to a little bandsaw, that's the quickest way. You just lay the inside of the blade right there on that surface and cut this part off. Leave all of this collar, as much of it as you can. Or you can take a Dremel tool with a little cutoff blade and just whip it around that outside circumference and it'll pop that off. Or if you don't have either of those, just a little hacksaw will do it, but that'll be a little bit more time consuming. The whole point is to remove it just like this. We just chop this thing off with a bandsaw, got it off of that surface there, and then if you reach in here, you can easily just slide this part right out. The reason you want to retain that is that the boot is glued to that and it actually provides structural support, and the boot, as you look at it when you invert it, has a nice little lip in there. MGW will provide this little boot grommet. It's got a groove in it. You'll just work it inside the boot all the way around. And then push it to the inside here. And you'll actually want to get it so it goes all the way around. You see it pop up there like that. Move it around. And there you go. That snaps into place there. Push it a little bit more here and get that piece over it. And that keeps it in place on the bottom. And then when you invert it back like this, you left it a really nice closing that is the exact size of the shift knob shaft on the shifter.